2 years ago this month. As the pandemic began, the Hamilton County Health Department opened a COVID-19 hotline. Since that time, they've answered more than 200,000 calls. The hotline is manned weekdays from 8 to 4, 209-8383. This Sunday marks 2 years since the first local case was confirmed. Today, our county reports 37 new COVID cases, and this is part of a steady downward trend. Meredith Aldis joins us live with a look ahead to the future. Meredith?
David, I'm told it's a good sign, and we may just be able to take a sigh of relief.
COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths reported by the Hamilton County Health Department have been steadily decreasing since the beginning of February.
We're not out of risk zone yet, but the risk is much lower than it was before.
Dr. Anderson with CHI Memorial says the Omicron variant has infected a lot of people, both vaccinated and unvaccinated, boosting and providing immunity for many.
This variant has given us a well-protected society now. The sheer numbers we have of people who have immunity is quite high, the highest it's ever been.
He says the likelihood of another surge of another variant is low.
Just be vigilant, but I think we can relax many of the precautions that we've had to do, and we're beginning to see that happen around the country.
He says if you're in a big space with good ventilation, or if you've had the Omicron variant or been vaccinated recently, masks aren't necessary, but they are needed for immune-suppressed people and in healthcare facilities. Our Place restaurant is located inside Erlanger. It moved to that location during the middle of the pandemic. For now, they must abide by Erlanger's protocols.
We're probably still the only restaurant in the area that's still wearing masks. Of course, we have to because the Erlanger brass, demand it.
Most of the people they feed are healthcare professionals working in the hospital. As the visitor policy becomes more lax, owner Christina Boyd says she gets to see and serve more people.
It's been a much more positive vibe as we see people coming in. They're feeling more confident and getting out of the house.
Dr. Anderson with CHI Memorial says it could be a few more months before restrictions in healthcare facilities relax. Reporting live in the studio, Meredith Aldis, Local 3 News.
Thank you, Meredith.